So today I'll be showing you how to block unwanted DMs on your Instagram account. So basically, unwanted DMs normally go into the requests folder. So when you tap on that, you can see requests in that list. So here we are. So if you want to block all unwanted DMs, then simply launch Instagram, tap on your profile icon to go to your profile page, and then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Messages and Story Replies. Tap on that. And then tap on Message Controls. And here you can select who you want to be able to message you and who you don't want to be able to message you. Now, if you're following each other with someone on Instagram, then of course they can automatically send you DMs, right? Now, for potential connections who are just basically your followers on Instagram, when they send you a DM, it goes into the request folder. So you can also edit that. And if you want to block this, you can tap on don't receive requests. Okay. So basically it says this will also turn off requests from others on Instagram. So tap on update settings. Now you can go back and also choose what happens from other people. So these are basically just random people, not necessarily your followers, but just any random person on Instagram. You can choose to block by selecting don't receive requests. But of course, you have the independent option of leaving that to message requests individually, and you can choose whatever you want based on either potential connections who are your followers on Instagram or other people, which basically just means anyone on Instagram. Now, if you're following each other with someone on Instagram and you still don't want to get their DMs, then the best you can do is mute. Okay, so for instance, I go to my DMs and I don't want to receive messages from this person or maybe this person. I can long press on that particular conversation and then select mute messages. And I can choose either for 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until I change it. So choose until you change it. And that basically means when this person sends you DMs, even though you're following each other, the message will come through, but you'll not get notified for that particular message. Of course, if you come into the conversation, you'll be able to see the message that was sent. That's basically how to block unwanted DMs or unwanted messages in your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.